Can you imagine the price of this top? Literally 2,500. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can make it in less than 250 rupees. Let's get started. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how we can make this top, which is pretty expensive, in Myntra website. I do not blame the website, neither the designer, it's their choice, but now we are going to recreate it at our home with this fabric, and which will be way cheaper. This is the fabric which I got like for 100 rupees a meter, and I have got 2.5 meters to create this look. So this is the simple paper cutting of a very basic top. So how to make this pattern, I have made a separate detailed video of this. You can check it out in the description. I will link it in the I button as well, so you can check it out and recreate your own bodice paper cutting. So with the help of the paper cutting, we are going to cut out front and back parts. For the back section, I'm going to make a slight curve which we will be using as a keyhole, and we will place a button and a button holder. Now coming to the sleeves, so I have made a video of how to make a sleeve pattern as well, that also I'll link. So since I'm making bell sleeve, I need the sleeve till elbow, and after that I will attach bells. So I will measure my elbow, and till there only I am taking this fabric. Now coming to the bell part, as you can see in the picture, if you remember, there were 3 layers of the bell, but then I thought 3 layers look really weird, so instead of 3 I decided to go with 2 layers. Okay, so any which ways, what we need to do is keep the fabric in 2 folds, that way you will get 4 layers. Okay, and I am measuring the opening of my armhole, and then I am cutting a piece of 6 to 7 inches, which will form the bell for me. Like this, we are going to get 2 bells for each sleeve, one. This is going to be your bigger bell, and after this, similarly, we are going to cut smaller bells of 3 inches of height. Okay, not more than that. Now I am tracing the lining material which we are going to use to attach the fabric and turn it inside out. So with this simple technique, you can create your paper cutting as per the design of your neck, and this we are going to do for both front and back part. Okay, now that the cutting is done, I will show you how we are going to attach the sleeve. So first of all, I am going to close the sleeve like this and give a stitch. Then I'm going to stitch the bigger bell. Then I'm going to stitch the shorter bell. Before doing that, make sure that you picot your fabric. Okay, now this is how you got the 3 parts. Now we need to attach, so I'm going to attach by matching the seams. Okay, so like this, match these seams, and we are going to turn it inside out like so and give a stitch. That's it, super simple. So as you can see, our sleeve is ready. 2 layers bell is looking really pretty. If you want, you can make a longer bell and make it 3 layers as well. It's totally up to you. Now we are going to attach the lining fabric for the neck, and once we attach, I'm going to give small cuts, very tiny slits, so that we can turn the fabric inside and it will retain its shape. We are going to do the same for the back part as well. And I'm going to make one very thin pipe out of this fabric. Just cut 1 inch width of fabric which is in cross position so that it will be easy for us to turn it inside out. Now I'm going to use that to place it at the corner so that we can put it at one corner, and the other corner I will stitch a button. So like this I'm going to fold, and whatever is excess I will cut it out later, or maybe I can cut now as well, not a problem. Like this we are going to put, and then put the lining material, then we are going to give it a stitch like so. So this is how the back looks right now. So I will stitch one button. You can stitch a button or a pearl, up to you. Now we are going to match the seams of the shoulder. We will open it up and we will match the outer fabric with outer fabric and inner lining fabric with lining fabric, and we are going to give a straight stitch like this. And now the last step, we are going to attach the sleeve. So we need to attach from starting from the center of your shoulder. Okay, so like this we are going to attach the sleeve, and now I will stitch the sides of the top, and that's it. Super simple. So this is the top. Finally it looks like this. Very easy to make, super affordable. I know it's pretty loose on me. I'll tighten it up a little bit more, but this is how it looks like. I really love the top. You can also make these kind of tops with simple 2.5 meters of fabric of your choice. Okay, I hope you like this video. Please give us a thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel. I'll get back to you with more videos. Till then, take care and bye bye.